What are black holes? Are you a space enthusiast like me? I am a big space buff and I like everything about outer space. The stars, the planets, the galaxies, they fascinate me. But there is one thing that fascinates me the most. It's the black holes. What is a black hole? It's an area in space where the force of gravity is extremely strong. So strong that it sucks everything that's around it. Now, if you're having a hard time trying to imagine it, then think about a black hole as a vacuum cleaner. Yes, when a vacuum cleaner is at work, it sucks the dust and small objects that keep coming in its path. A black hole does something similar. Its gravitational pull is so strong that it pulls in everything that comes close to it. Even the smallest of particles, electromagnetic radiations, objects like comets, planets cannot escape from it. But how is a black hole formed? It's formed when a star collapses. After burning all its fuel, when a star reaches the end of its life, it stops shining. There is a big explosion in the sky, after which the star collapses and shrinks into a tiny sphere of material. The gravity of this material is so powerful that it pulls at everything around it. Nothing that enters a black hole ever comes out. Even light cannot get out. Isn't that really fascinating? If you know anything about black holes that you would like to share, then write to us or send us a voice note. Catch you next time as we explore our fascinating world.